Hi, and welcome to I Love the Library. My name is Greta Gook, and I am the former Youth Services Librarian here at the Detroit Lakes Public Library, but also I am your new Library Director. I have really enjoyed my time working with our library's youngest visitors, getting to know the families in the community, and really working with the youngest patrons that come in. But now I am excited to lead the library, and I can't wait to continue on into the future with all the wonderful things that are happening here at the Detroit Lakes Public Library. Today I'd like to share about a fundraising campaign we have happening during the month of February, the I Love My Library fundraising campaign. The goal for the campaign is to raise funds to benefit Lake Agassiz Regional Library's collection. So that would be all of the books, audiobooks, DVDs, music CDs, e-books, e-audiobooks, magazines, everything that you come in and check out. That is what makes up our collection. First, I'd like to just share with you a little bit about the Lake Agassiz Regional Library and the successes we've had over the past year. So the Lake Agassiz Regional Library is a regional library system providing services to residents in a 7-county region of northwest Minnesota. The library shares our resources among 13 branch libraries and 9 link sites. Last year, we circulated over 800,000 items, including ebooks and e-audiobooks. So by participating in the I Love My Library campaign, you will help us grow our collection so we can continue to provide materials to everyone across our region. So what is the I Love My Library fundraising campaign? This is a 1-month fundraiser that will run through the end of February and is meant to benefit Laurel's collection. Through this campaign, we hope to remind everyone of the great value that the library brings to you and to encourage you to support our book and materials budget. While any donation amount is welcome, we are encouraging you to give a minimum of $20. For those who use the library often, or even just once or twice a month, there is great value and savings. Did you know that if you check out 3 books per month, you could be saving $1,000 per year or more just by using your library? If you are an avid audiobook user and check out 3 audiobooks per month, that saves you up to $2,300 or more. And for those who enjoy using our DVD collection and check out 3 movies per month, you save up to $900 or more. We rely on the support of loyal community members to continue growing our collection, and we hope that you see the value that checking out our library's collection brings, and that you please consider donating to help us sustain and grow our collection. Any and all donations are welcome. Donations at any level will receive this fun I Love My Library window cling. You can put it on your car, you can put it on your home windows. I have one on my office window. So we'll be giving these out to any donation level just so you can show your support for the library. For those who donate $20 or more, you will receive an I Love My Library tote bag. So you can use this for your books, for your magazines, for whatever you want to use that for. To make a donation, you can stop into the library and pick up a donation envelope. It looks like this. You just open it up to fill it out, and then you can mail it in or drop it off at the library, or you can donate online. You just need to go to our website, www.larl.org. And I would like to show you how to make an easy donation online. So making an online donation is quick and easy. You just need to visit our website, larl.org. Up in the right-hand corner, you will see the Give to Laurel option. If you click on that, it brings up our Give to Laurel page, and for the month of February, we're featuring the I Love My Library fundraising campaign. So if you click on Support the Collection, it takes you to an easy form to fill out. So you can click on $20, $40, $100, or of course you can write in your own amount. You can leave us a comment if you'd like, and you can also choose to make this a one-time or monthly donation. Then you just click on next. To complete your donation, just fill out the information part of the donation request and then complete the form, and that completes your donation. Thanks for tuning in.